Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by s squared on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 plus 1 over s squared. This one we have s squared minus 1 plus 1 over s squared. So I will put negative number 1 in here. Later that we need to add back positive number 1. This one we have negative number 2. And we know that we can put into s multiplied by 1 over s. This one that is about identities. So we have s minus 1 over s to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus 1 over s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have 1 plus 1 over s squared ds. This one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u. The integration of this one we have tan of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.